In this video, I'm going to show you what I do every day to get better at drawing characters. Okay, so right here you can see me drawing this figure off this website called Pose Maniacs, and this acts as my warm-up. Every day I go to posemaniacs.com and I just use this as a warm-up exercise to get ready to start drawing for the day. But it also helps with drawing characters, and as you can see in the background right here, I have it set up on our website to where I think it's 30 seconds, it changes a pose, so I'm drawing something new every 30 seconds, and that's just a good way to practice drawing figures as well. And ever since I've been doing this, I can definitely see myself improving on drawing characters and just drawing people in general. It's become a lot easier with this website, and if you want to get good drawing characters, I think this is definitely something that you should be doing every day. You should try and draw, just try and figure draw. It doesn't even have to be this website. There's other websites out there that you can use to draw or practice figure drawing or gesture drawing. And I'm just using Pose Maniacs for now. It's pretty simple to use. And on the screen I have my program Clip Studio up, and then on the side the website up. That way I can see what I'm drawing on the same screen. And yeah, this is just a great practice for mapping out the figure, and great for drawing characters and people, obviously. And so whenever I start drawing figures and stuff, I just move. I'd start off with the shoulder line, then I move down to the with like a line for a spine, and then the hip line, and you can see that here in these drawings. And after I get done with my 30 seconds practice, I move on to 60 seconds. That way I have a little bit more time to map out what I'm drawing, and just even more practice. And that's about it. This process only takes about, I would say, like 15 to 20 minutes, just the way I do it on this website, Pose Maniacs. But you could go for a short amount of time or a longer amount of time if you want to. But after I got done with this, I actually wanted to practice it even more, and so I pulled up a reference for an archer, and I wanted to draw this pose to really show you how drawing poses and figure drawing every day can help you better understand the human body, and more clearly and more easily draw from reference like this, and what I'm doing right now, and do what I'm doing right now. And the character I'm drawing is another character I'm developing for a comic. His name is Asher. He's an archer, and so that's why I have reference up for an archer, so but yeah, figure drawing every day off that website. I could definitely see myself improving every day, and I'm sure you'll definitely see improvement in yourself the more and more you do it, and it becomes easier too the more you do it. I was having problems here with figuring out how to draw this bow, but I eventually got it. I think I finally got something I liked. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share that information, because before I knew figure drawing was important, but I didn't know how important it really was until I actually started figure drawing and doing what's it called? gesture drawing and stuff like that. And it doesn't even have to be for that long, you know. Like I said, you can just do this for 5 minutes if you want to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, even longer, up to an hour. But I just like to use that website and figure drawing as a warm up for my day every day. And yeah, it is clearly benefiting me and my character art, drawings and stuff like that. And I'm definitely gonna keep drawing or keep using that website. I'm definitely gonna keep using the Pose Maniacs, and hopefully just keep drawing better characters. I'm gonna let this play out and just let y'all watch me finish this sketch off, and I'll end the video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I helped y'all out with this video, and that's it. So peace.